Oh yeah, I'd like to show you my kibbles and bits. Oh, hey there, kids! Welcome to DrVideogamez Secret Lab. Are you ready to have some fun?
I sure am, Dr. V.
Why? Why do you always interrupt me? I'm doing a show, and you interrupt me, and I want to look at the dog. You come in, yeah? DrVideogamez Secret Lab. Alright, we got our system plugged in, we got a game jammed up in there, TV's on, let's jam some buttons.
Don't you think you should plug in the controller first?
I don't go down to where you work and stuff the big hairy lumberjack dick out of your mouth, so no.
Could you?
Sure, yeah. What time?
I work in half an hour.
Oh, it's a Sunday though.
Oh, that's right, 15 minutes.
So let's plug it in! It's that easy! It couldn't be simpler.
It's as simple as melted cheese. Yo, I got this. I got this. I don't got it.
Even I can do this. It just slips right in there.
You know what they say, if it ain't broke, who broke it?
It plugs in so easy. Just stick it anywhere. And now we just smash the buttons.
Hey, can I try?
Oh, no can do, Sonny Jim. This is a mature rated game.
What does that mean?
That's a good question.
Mega Man and Tetris and Mario 2 were always trying to save the world from the Donkey Kong crew.
Doctor is in.
We're fighting, we're flying, we're leveling up, always trying to win that flower cup. And it's game over.
Why are you here? I didn't invite you over this time. I wanted to do the show by my own. You're so mean. You ruin all my shows. Everyone likes you and hates me. Ah.